Alright, good day to you wherever you are watching this video. And today's tutorial, I will be sharing with you the benefits of CRM system. For many who are watching for the first time and don't know what CRM is a software, a solution that is built to help you work with your client. It is called customer relationship management software. It's a software designed to relate with your customer, and some of the benefits of CRM is it improves information organization. It is used to enhance communications, and is also used to automate everyday tasks. From an admin to all your workers to your clients to update about their particular project to tracking your payments, sending invoice notifications to your clients, and many more. So I will quickly walk you through the admin of this system. It's also a system that we also use to track our info, our clients as well, and we walk them through the system. Okay, I'll walk you through the system. Let's go ahead. All right, the first thing you need to know is this is the admin dashboard, and under the admin dashboard you have a lot of things here. Like invoice awaiting payment, conversion to leads, project in progress, the tasks not finished, and we also have some invoice overview here, like the draft, estimated overview, the one that is not sent, the unpaid invoice, the partial paid, overdue, and the paid. So this is a system that you can use to scale up your business. It improves your performance as a company, as a small scale company. Before we started thinking of using the CRM, before we started thinking of having this CRM, we used to have a lot of challenge with managing some of our clients. So, and this is what CRM has come to do, and you can see this will show you the outstanding payment, the one that is overdue, and also the one that is being paid. All right, you can also see it in the graphical way like this. The finished project, you can see here the ongoing project, the one that has not yet started, the one is on hold, and the one that is cancelled. So you can see all the records here. This is majorly for admin, that's for business owner, and we also have the user end. So I'm going to open this CRM. So I'm going to open our URL here to see. Now this particular interface is for customer, where they can register and follow up their projects. And if you have information, general information to the public, you can click on this knowledge base. There's a way to add a knowledge base from the admin, and you can see what we have here is our client. We also use it for our clients. We also use it for our system. So let me walk you through how you can start using this. Okay, this is the dashboard, and we have here to be the customers. You have a list of all the customers here, the ones that are active, the ones that are inactive, and you can also delete any customer you want to delete. You can see all their customer list, and under here you can add a new customer, you can import customers, and you can check from the contact. And one other thing is that you can ask your client to register. There's a way we will set the system up for you that you can just tell your client to register, and immediately they register, they becomes a contact, and you can add from your customer either the proposal, either estimate, either invoice, either payments, either credit note, or any other item you have here. So I'm going to go under sales now. Under sales, we have the proposal. This helps you to generate proposal for your client. For example, now you can have some proposal like this. We have this to be all right. This is a marketing proposal, and for example, this marketing proposal that is sent here can be remodified. It can be sent to the person to download as PDF, and you can also see this is expire. This is 237,000 proposal. And you can click on edit to make some changes as well to the proposal. Under here you can add all the stuff you want to add here for your client. If you're adding item name, descriptions, the quality, the rating, the tax, and every other thing you want to add. The customer details can as well be filled, like the email address, the phone numbers or any other information you have from your customer, the state, the countries, and the email address as well. So I'm going to go back to sales. I'm going to go back to proposal. You can see all the list of all the proposals, the one that is sent, the one that is accepted, the one that is not accepted, and some other ones that has been deleted. We have also what we have estimate. A proposal can be converted to an estimate. You can create an estimate. So you can create an estimate. You can type the customer name. For example, I would say, okay, from your customers list, you can, once you type, all right, let me say Grand. All right, you can pick up the name and you can send an estimate to an individual or a company or whatever company you are dealing with. You can add all the items, you can add descriptions and many more. That's under sales estimate. And if you have to generate invoice, you can go to invoice. Invoice generation is one of the best way to activate and to use this particular stuff. Like for example, now I'm going to open this particular project. We have this project, this particular project, and okay, let me open this. All right, this is an invoice estimate. Okay, let me open this. All right, the page is not working. Something went wrong somewhere. That's going to be fixed. All right. But one thing about an invoice estimate is it helps you to. Okay, let me edit. Let's see what we have here. All right, the information provided, and okay, let me say I'm adding. I'm supposed to. Okay. Let's say there's an error I want to add. I can add more. I can add just one error to make it. I can save. And there's one thing about when you are saving an estimate, you can also send an invoice. This may not be sent, but if it's sent, fine. Because there is an email setting error that I've seen over there, which can also be adjusted. So let's go to invoice, and this allows you to send mail virtually all the time to your customer. For example, now the overdue invoice. This is an overdue invoice. Okay, I think there seems to be a breakage here. Okay, it's supposed to show here where you can send a mail, but that's going to be fixed. All right, we have your payment as well. You see the ones that have been paid. You see all the payment records. If you want to fetch the invoice, you can fill the invoice from this, and possibly you can see the invoice. Okay, all right. If you are adding payment, you can send the preview to someone. You can email someone the preview of the invoice. Let's assume the person is having issue with okay, let's say the payment. I want you to send me the invoice, the date of payment, and all of that. This can be tracked from the system. The invoice, the payment, the credit note, and every other thing you want to add on the system. Now, one thing about the CRM is that CRM helps you in a way to collect your clients. Not only your client, we have other things like subscriptions. If you have some subscription-based clients, you can select their payment plan. Of course, you will have used your Stripe account here. We have added your API key and all of that. You put the billing date, you put the subscription name, you put the descriptions, you type the customer name, and you send it to the person. You type the amount. If you're adding tax, you can add it and save it. Immediately the email will be sent to the customer, and if the customer log in from his own dashboard here too, from the client dashboard here. Okay, let me just try and see if you can register. You can see this is how you fill the information. You fill your name, you fill your company name, your email address, your phone number, your city, your website, positions, and every other thing you have on this. This is how you're going to fill that. Okay, immediately you have access to login, and from your login dashboard, as a client, this is majorly for the client. You have details about the system. All the invoice that is sent, all the CRM will be sent to you will see it as an email, and also you can log in from the dashboard to either download the invoice and stuff like that. We have expenses. Expenses are also very important. You can use CRM to record your expenses. I think the last expenses that was recorded, you can add the attachment, the name, the note, the category it belongs to, the customer. If the payment is majorly for a customer, you can type the customer, and we have your currency. You can as well use different currency. Depending on the currency that is being requested for, we can set different currency for the system, either dollar, and it also helps you to collate multi-currencies. All right, let me check some invoice and see. I think I have some currency outside Naira over here. I want to be sure I have some currency. Okay, we have one like this. This is $11,200. $11,200 to this is you can use both for different currency. All right, so we have this to collect our sales, subscription, expenses, and contract. Also, we have our project, and we also have let me go to project. We have one project is in progress right now, and you can see the members that are working on the project, and it's still in progress. And if you want to copy the project, you can copy it. The one that is on hold, you can see the cancel project. And we have a task. You can assign tasks. Actually, we have more than one project, but this is the only one that has been updated here by one of our admin. You can assign new task to someone who is also working with you, either one of your admin. All right, you can select a task. You can type the subject. You can give the person an hourly rating, hourly rates, the due date. You can have a start date, the priority, either high or urgent. If it's going to be a 2 weeks or 2 weeks or 1 month or 2 months or 3 months or custom. You can also set up a custom day for this task. You can attach this and either billable or non-billable. It depends on the type of systems that the company is running. You can assign tasks to your customer. You can see some of the tasks that have been assigned here. They have been completed. You can see task overview, and as well this will show all the staff members. You can see some of the staffs we have here. You can see some of the staff we have here. Let's say I have a Shogun here. I can say filter. There's no task assigned to him right here because it's completed. Okay, let me see, do I have any task? This is you can select based on year. This is for 2021 because no task has been assigned. Let's say all the tasks progress. These are actually for task assignment and every other thing you want the system to do for you. Also, as the admin of the system, you have the power to follow up each of your staff as they update you the progress of their work via the system. So my network is a bit slow. All right, let me go back to my admin. All right, so that's on task. We have support. Support also helps you to create tickets for each of your clients. All right, so for example, now this has been this has been done. You can see the answer tickets. You can see new tickets. You can see the ones that's not been answered. You can delete this off, and I think this is an already completed project. If you need any support, you can create a support based on the request. Customers as well can relate with you from the support ticket system, and also we have leads. Leads helps you to follow up some contacts, either those who have been making inquiry, or those who are still waiting for you to finish up a particular project. So that's what leads can do for you. All right, so we have leads. We have some leads here. Let me see. We have some leads here. I'm going to delete some leads because so this is the knowledge base where you can relate with your customer. Some general information you want everybody who from the public, from knowledge base to see. The only thing that we've put there is just that each client should relate from their ticket system so as to have a complete support. All right. So we have some other things like utility. All right. You can set a goal. You can set up a survey. You can carry out a survey. Media, then bulk public export. You can export some of the public PDF files we have here. We have calendar, and you can also put up an announcement for everyone on the system to see. And also we have reports. You can generate sales report, expense report, expenses versus income report. You can generate leads, timesheet overview, KB articles, and many more. Also, setup here, you don't really need to come here because this is majorly for admin who is more technical. You can check up the finance, check the tax rate, the currency, payment mode, expenses. Everything is set up for you. We have the sort, we have the all right. Okay, this is the article. Okay, why this is for the knowledge base. I think the network's a bit slow. That's why you have it there. While working through the ticket system, if you open what we have here, it's going to be the same with what we have here. This is for hotline, and if I intend to add more knowledge base, I'm going to close this. I can say new article, and who am I addressing it to? Is it the staff or the client? So whichever way is a way of communicating both the staff and also the client. All right, is it an internal article? If it's an internal article, it will be majorly for those who have signed in before they can see this article. Or if it's an external article like the one I've put here, everybody can just check out this. But if it's an internal article, it must be a registered client. That's if you are sending it to you are sending it out to clients. So that's on that, and we can always keep working on sending more information, relating with your client, and many more. So under this video you will find a complete link of where you can download it if you want us to work together and build a system like that for you, or you want to, as a developer, you want to learn how to build a system. Thank you. My name is Felix and I'm from Comfort Developers and IT Solution.